Kilobyte here. Got the wheels mounted. Are you ready for this? There you go. So the best tire for me was the 235/40/17 Treadwear 200, and for autocross being the Dunlap, how do you pronounce that? Direzza ZIII. Now, I say the best tire for me because that's the one I could get in time for this weekend. Yes, they still have, I just got them home. This is just wax. This is just wax. Trust me, I checked them, and so they'll need a little cleanup. The old one was 35.2. Did you catch that? 40.6 for the new wheel and tire. So here's the center cap and the Konig design. This goes here, and you want it. I am putting mine lined up with the bottom two holes on the bottom, hence why I called them bottom. That lines up, by the way, with the valve stem. Make sure that's clean and dry. Clean and dry hands. Fill it. Line it up. There you go. Press down. You should be good. I'm going to pull the blue off once I get them on. You're going to want to use medium strength thread locker of some sort. When you use thread locker, be sure that you shake it and mix it before you use it. A lot of people don't realize that you should do that. Comes with the Allen wrench and the 3 screws. And it's probably going to make a mess because I'm doing it. Put some thread locker on there. You don't have to overdo it. Line the holes up. Get that one started. Next. The reason why you're using thread locker, we're using thread locker here, is because these things will strip out. If you've read Goodwin Racing's site, they warn you about this. They will strip out because this is just aluminum. This isn't steel or anything. So we're actually relying on the thread lock more so than the torque on it to hold it in place. And there we go. Boom! Looks pretty, doesn't it? Isn't that pretty? I should have washed them. I should have cleaned them off, but let's take a look at it. Right side has the new wheels and tires. Left side has the stock ones. No spacers. Definitely fills it out better. All right, opinions. These chrome lug nuts. I didn't really notice them that much on the BBS wheels. You know, they're inserted, inset a little more around the nut. On this wheel, it shows you actually, I think, see them a little more. And, what's your opinion on the chrome lug nuts? Keep the chrome lug nuts, or maybe get the Magard spline drive, the black ones? Let me know what you think in the comments. I did not buy TPMS sensors. These are autocross tires, and may see some summer driving. Knowing me, they'll actually see more than I planned, but I didn't get the sensors. I decided against it because of the cost, but you know, and my usage. I shouldn't need them. Hopefully I won't. So just got back from testing it out, putting a little heat in the tires, and oh man, if you saw my video on the autocross post-mortem, I can tell you what the problem was now. Maybe even more so than my horrible driving. Yeah, those tires, it's night and day different with these tires. I mean, they're new, obviously that's gonna make a big difference, but the level of stickiness, the grip is just unbelievably better than my old 18,000 miles stock tires that had been driven in the winter. So I'm pretty sure that rubber was just hard. It was just too hard to grip. Love the wheels, love the tires, and looking forward to the autocross Saturday. On one of the big tests I wanted to do before the autocross was the rubbing test, and I was not moving quickly, but full lock, either direction, going forward or back, I did not rub. And on the road, doing the back and forth and that type of thing, I did not see any rubs. I actually haven't checked the tires to see if there are any marks. If there is, I'll let you know. If there's not, well, assume there wasn't. My front is at 13 1/8. My back is at 13 3/8, center cap to fender. Your mileage may vary, so mine's not rubbing with this setup. That's the 17x8 wheels and the 235 40 17s with the Dunlops. So hope you enjoyed that. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.